in this video, I am going to show you how we can use the pins on the microbit. So first, what you can do is make a new project. I'm going to call it tutorial for microbit pins. And then you can press enter or click on create. You should get an editor like this. This is a microbit simulator that works just like the one you're planning to get at home or you already have. So what you want to do is you see these two blocks, these on start blocks and forever block. So you can just delete the on start block by right clicking and then clicking on the delete block button. And now all we have is the forever now. So in the logic category, we can get an if else block. So if the pin P0 is pressed, you could, on my screen, there's P0, P1, and P2. If you want to do 1, then choose P1. If you want to do 2, then choose P2. And so I got pin 0 for now. I'll just basically show 25 LEDs. So this is pretty easy. So we just, for 25 LEDs, just go with all of the LEDs on this because there are 25 LEDs. Else, we can go into the basic category and click on the clear screen block. Drag that over here. And if we run the simulator, now we can set up the pins. So basically, what you want to do is first connect 1 to the pin 0. You will need 2 in total. Connect one of them to the pin 0 and connect the other one to the lemon. And now we can get this other one, and then on one side connect it to the G and D one. Sorry with that sound. So now what you want to do is click on the download button. It's right over here. First you want to click on this and click on connect to device, and then you just want to run through all the steps. Then you are good to go. And then after that, what you want to do is click on this download button, and it's going to download a file to the microbit. So now, if I, on the other side of the pin that's connected to the G and D pin, if I touch the metal part of it, and now I'm going to touch the lime, it shows the 25 LEDs. And if I move my hand away, it clears the screen. So it's just a really cool thing you could do with the microbits. And for example, if I wanted to do 1, all I have to do is change that to pin 1, move this over to 1, and then download the file again. And now, if this is on 1, it still works. And for example, if I wanted to do 2, I could just click on the drop down and choose P2, move this right over to 2, and then I can click on download again. And it even works on 2. So just want to know, every time you make a change, you always need to click on download. So that is it for this tutorial. Hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notify bell on the top right corner. Bye.